Today's reading is about it's for the zodiac sign Libra, and the question is what is going to happen in the first 15 days of October for my dear Libra. I have pulled some the Dream of Kaya cards for you, and now I am going to shuffle this other deck in front of you. What is going to happen in the first 15 days of October for my dear Libra? What is going to happen in the first 15 days of October for my dear Libra? What is going to happen for my dear Libra in the first 15 days of October? Your first card is the Fool card. You are not taking any risk. You are not taking the leap of faith. You are afraid of something. You want to do it very badly, but you are afraid of something. That's why you are not moving forward with this card. You are delaying this situation. Okay. You are making the justice over here. You want to do something fair, something good, and you are crying over this mistake. You had made some mistake in the past. Now you want to make it good, make it better, and you are crying over this mistake. Whatever had done from you, you are crying over it. You are missing something, someone over here, something or someone with these cards. Why are these 5 of Cups over here in this situation? This 5 of Cups. Because in the past you are not fighting for something, you want to end the quarrel, and that's why you had done something. Maybe you have no courage to tell others what is the truth, or you are afraid of something, afraid of your father, your mother, or someone, and you don't search about it. You don't get any knowledge, any wisdom about, any clarity about this situation, and you just doing what other wants you to do. Okay, what else for my dear Libra? Yes, you don't have the clarity about this situation. That's why you are afraid to take a step, and you think that this might lead you to disaster or some problem. Okay, and that's why you are not taking the step, because you don't have the clarity about the situation. What else? And also you are not fighting for it. You are not doing anything to get this thing, to do this thing, to finish it. You are not doing anything over here. Okay. Yes, you are not, you don't have a desire to win it. Maybe you are not afraid of something, afraid of that what others say to you about the situation, or what your parents will say, or about what someone you love, they will say. And but as for my dear Libra, in first 15 days of October, yes, oh no, your home is going to break with this card. Something is going to happen that is not good, and that will do you a great harm. Your home is going to break over here with these cowardness, with this fear that you have in your mind. This home is going to break. if you want to build a home, a happy home, a loving, caring person, that this person is leaving you because you are very covered at this situation with these cards. Why is this tower card is here in this situation? Why is this tower card is here? Because someone want to be happy, they want their life to be happy, and they are maybe restricting you, or maybe your marriage life is going to spoil, it is going to be end, some kind of happiness is going to shatter. Okay, you have done something very good, or maybe you want to have a happiness in your life. Okay, you had completed something very very in very good condition, and now something is changing for you. The universe is changing something for you. They brought the word for you. And what else for my dear Libra? What else for my dear Libra? Show me the probabilities. Okay, thanks. Okay, judgment, something from universe, from Allah, from the higher perspectives. It is going to happen, something is happen with the will of Allah, and you are happy with it. Something is changing, something good is going on, something good is happening, and but you are not ready for this situation. You are not ready for it. I think you are not ready for it, or some other person is not ready for it. But you both are not blocking each other, and also you are not waiting for each other. Or maybe this other person is not waiting for you. They are doing their own work. They know that if maybe they think that you are not coming towards them, if you make a promise with them at some time in the past, or maybe they are not attracted towards you at this moment because you have someone else, you are very covered in here. Maybe you are not talking to them since a quite long time, and that's why they are angry with you, something like this. Maybe you are sexually attracted towards someone, and maybe someone is abusing you, because there is someone who is restricting you to do these things. You are afraid of that person, and they are going to abuse you because you are doing something here without their will, without their permission. Okay, or someone is ignoring you. This is your weakness. Okay, and lack of courage in most of your cards. I had already seen that lack of the courage, and this is also the lack of courage or poor leadership. You are not able to define yourself to others. What did you want? Why did you do these things? Okay, or the loss of power and position. Definitely I can see this over here. And you are not thinking that you are powerful at this moment. You think that you have no power, others have to do for you, you are depending on others, or you are so fearful of others that you are not making any decision for your own self, for your own good, or not able to tell them what do you want. Okay, then what else is happening to my dear Libra in first 15 days of October? Okay, someone from your past, they are coming towards you, and maybe you are having a good time you with this person, this past person. When they come to you, you are going to have courage. They will upbring your courage. That person, maybe they give you an advice or talk to you in the way that you have the courage. They show you the way towards your happiness, okay, towards your fulfillment. What else? And after that you became a wise person, and you know what you have to do, what you have to say to others, how will you get your happiness uh, with others will. And there is some devil over here, still there is some devil person is here. They want to betray you, they want to do something bad to you, backstab you when you are not knowing. You they done something to you, they want to do something to you, okay. Queen of Pentacles, and you also have the Queen of Pentacles over here. This person is they are caring for you, they are in love with you, they want to heal you, they want to make the money for you or give you their money, they want to help you, okay. Why is this devil card is here in this situation? Someone is restricting you, definitely they are chaining you, they don't want you to move forward, they want you to follow them, they want you to listen to their commands. And because some other person, maybe this is for some other person is in love with you, and they want you to come towards them, and maybe you are wanting someone else, and you are leaving that person, and that person is restricting you. Maybe you are already if this is the marriage situation, you are already married to some person, and that person is restricting you, and you want to go towards someone else. You think that this other woman is good for you, this person is they are good for you, they will treat you good with goodness, and they will make you happy, okay. You know that this person is betraying you, this person, devil person, is betraying you, they have no good wishes, no good will for you, okay. They are using you, they are using you. And why is this Ten of Swords again in this situation? Why is this Ten of Swords again in this situation? With this Wisdom card, you are going to see that this person is the devil person, this person, that the person that had stopped you, stuck you with them, restricted you to do anything, that person is a devil person, and they are using you for their own good, and that's why they are not letting you do what you want to do. If you want to marry someone, they are restricting you. They are anyone from your family, from your relatives, your siblings, someone, anyone. Why is this Ten of Swords here in this situation? Why is this Ten of Swords here in this situation? Definitely someone is betraying you, okay, because you are not able to leave this person, but you want to leave this person, you want, and you are afraid of that person. That's why you are not telling the truth, or you are hiding something from this person, this devil person, and they think that you are betraying them, and you have invested a lot in this other situation with this other person to leave this bad person. You are invested a lot, but I think this is not this person not going to happen this thing. They not let you get away from them. What else is happening to my dear Libra in this first 15 days of October? What else is going to happen? Okay, with this first 15 days, you are not able to leave something, okay. You are not you are something is not happening over here, so you are stuck in this condition in the first 15 days of October, and you are not willing to leave this person, to go towards other person, to go towards your happiness. You are not proposing anyone, you are not apologizing to someone. This is the card of apologizing or proposing someone, and you are not doing anything over here. You know this is the good thing to do. You want to do it, but you are restricted at this moment in the first 15 days of October. What else? Okay, you have to make some decision very soon, but you are not making it. You are not able to make it. And Nine of Wands, you are not defending yourself. You have to defend yourself. You have to defend your thoughts, but you are not doing it. You have to do something over here, but you are not doing it. This Nine of Wands upside down or in the opposite position. You are afraid of something. You are not brave person at this moment. You are not defending yourself, your love, your anything. What do you want with this? What else? What else? Something else. Only something else. Okay, but you are someone is very stubborn at this position. They want to do something over here, and they are not looking the perspective at the right side. They are thinking everything is wrong. You are doing something wrong to them, and Knight of Wands. Definitely, you want to move towards some person, and maybe this person also likes you. They want to give you their life. They want to give you their happiness, love you. They want to care for you. They want to hold you, and you are the wise person to do something over here. Someone definitely is restricted you, but you are a wise person to cut these restrictions, to leave this stuckness. What else? You are making your mind to do this. Oh no, not all of these cards. What else? Wow, you want the happy home life, loving home life, and you are so attracted towards this person, or this person is so attracted towards you. You have made your mind about this situation. You want to punish this devil person, so you are going towards this person, and you are having a good happy home life with this person. What is the outcome of this situation? Okay, you have to fight a lot and had to be stubborn person for doing this. If you want to get away from this bad person, this devil-like person, and want to go towards the person that loves you, that care for you, that make your life happy, loving, caring life, more abundance, they give you a more abundance. You have to be fight for yourself, for your rights, for your happiness, and you have to be determined person. You have to be stubborn person at this moment for your true love. Now you have the scribe and also the 10 of earth. Okay, with this scribe card, you are you have to make a diary or a journal, and write in this journal. You have to write what others had done to you and what you have done to them, and you have to comparison of it, that if you are doing more bad to them or they are doing more bad to you. Okay, and also this person, this I think this new person knows about you very well. They knows your history as well as you know their history, because this is from your past. Here you have this you have the past life card, and this person is from your past. This is anyone, your parents, your siblings, your some crush or ex, anything. Okay, anyone, and they knows all about you, but they are a good person, they are a caring person. They are coming towards you to give you their love. They are whatever they have for you, they are coming here to help you, get out of your bad situation, to make you happy. Okay, this person is a good person, and you have to forgive that person that had made mistakes towards you or had done something bad to you. You have to forgive that person. Okay, okay, you have to take a leap of faith towards this other person. There is a honeybee, and honeybee, that honeybee is giving us honey. Okay, this bee makes our life sweet, and I think this person, the honeybee person, is this empress or this other person that is coming towards you. Okay, they are the good persons for you, and they are giving you the honey, and they also protect this honey or their loved ones by their sting. The honeybee has a sting, and it sting when someone steal their honey. And if someone is going to make something bad to you or betray you or cheat you or anything to you bad, that is bad for you, they are sting them. They are going to protect you. They are going to take care of you. Okay, this person is very wise, very historical, very traditional also. They are a traditional person. Okay, they are family person. They are going to defend you. You are not defending yourself, but this person is going to defend you. Okay, with this 10 of earth upside down. Okay, you are not enjoying the life's happiness because you are missing someone, or you think that this is not enough for you, this thing is not enough for you. Yes, and you are not happy with whatever you have in your life. Okay, with this card you have to determine or get to know what is the reason that you are not happy in your this life. Maybe you have family, maybe you have wife or husband, maybe you have children, friends, everything, money, but you are not happy in this life. Why? If this is not from others, if the others are not doing something bad to you, then it's from inside you. Okay, if your inside that is not satisfied, that is not fulfilled, and that is not happy, you have to change yourself, or you have to change your all pattern, all the things that you have in your life, and you have to get that thing that will make you happy. Okay, change yourself. If you think that your the persons around you, they are good to you, they are honest to you, then change yourself. And if you think that they are as I see that they are not good to you, they are restricting you, they are pressing you, give you the depression, a lot of depression, then you have to leave these bad person, devil-like person, that they want to use your money, they want to get your money, finish your money, spoil your money, and they don't let you go towards the other persons, don't let you be happy. And if that is the condition, you have to leave that bad person and go towards your happy. This is all for you, my dear Libra, for the month for the first 15 days of uh, October. And it is also your birthday uh, birthday month, and congratulate for both of your freedom and your birthday. You are getting your freedom in these cards, and have a nice and happy birthday, and with a lots of wishes and good wishes and love. Bye.